Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. The world we are today is a cryptocurrency world. Many cryptocurrencies have been designed over the years for a payment on digital market. In today's video, we shall take a look at some things about the cryptocurrency at the number 10 position in cryptocurrency world, that is Dogecoin. We shall also observe some predictions on Dogecoin to tell if the future is really suitable for Dogecoin. Please subscribe to this channel before the end of the video. What is Dogecoin? Dogecoin is a user-friendly cryptocurrency launched in December 2013. It was created by Bill Marcus and Jackson Palmer as a joke. Doge rose to popularity over the years because of its status as a meme, and it had the popular Shiba Doge as the face of the currency. The price of Doge started as 0.006, which was just a few pennies just a couple of years ago. Over the past few months, the coin became increasingly popular all over the world. People started to buy the coin and save with the hope that its value will increase due to its relatively cheap price compared to other currencies. Famous celebrities like Jordan Belfort, Elon Musk, who happens to be the CEO of Tesla Inc., often promoted the coin on the social media page, and this has greatly helped the growth of Dogecoin. Brands such as Slim Jim also made it a part of their marketing campaign. Dogecoin uses its own blockchain and it's widely supported by many wallets exchange. The main use is for making payments, and recently it has also been used as tipping coin for rewarding small tokens to people during social media interactions. Dogecoins are known to be inflationary coins, while Bitcoins are deflationary coins. This is because Bitcoins have a limit on the number of coins that will be produced and used for mining. On the other side, Dogecoins do not have any such limits, and that's what makes it inflationary, and this adds to its advantage. 50% drop prediction about Dogecoin. In January 2021, Dogecoin seems to be coming through when its price increased rapidly, but this dream was slaughtered on February 7 due to the lack of buying activity, which has led to its 45% descent from 0.087 cents to 0.048 cents, and also resulted in a lower high due to aggressive sellers. Each lower high bounced off a stable support barrier at 0.043 cents. By connecting these lower highs and horizontal support barrier, a descending triangle pattern forms. The technical formation originally forecasts a 50% downswing, which is the distance between the swing high and the flat demand level, added to the breakout point at 0.043 cents. This target puts Doge at 0.021 cents. Adding credence to this pessimistic outlook is Doge's move under the 50, 100, and 200 4-hour moving averages, or MA, which deter any upside movement. Hence, a spike in selling pressure leading to a 4-hour candlestick close below the flat support level at 0.043 cents will confirm a bearish breakout. In this case, Dogecoin's price will head towards the 0.021 cent level. On a more contrary note is that if the Dogecoin price manages a 4-hour candlestick close above 0.51 cents, it will invalidate this bearish assumption. In such case, Doge could surge 50% to hit a target of 0.76 cents. The bearish outlook above on Dogecoin became a realistic on May 19, when the crypto market crashed. Many coins went down by 50%, including Dogecoin. On June 8, there was also a significant dip in the crypto market, which resulted to Bitcoin's price drop by over 7% in a few hours, triggering a market-wide crash, which has also contributed to Dogecoin failing. But some optimistic predictions by some experts who see more bright side on Bitcoin's future has rejuvenated many Dogecoin investors. Doge price is expected to reach 0.0754225 and hit 0.512872 on the lower side. The price is expected to hover around 0.0608258 in the middle of this year. Some also expected the price to reach a high of 0.079470 in October, jump to 0.0798154 in November. Doge will be traded for at least 0.087006 towards the end of the year. According to Trading Beast's prediction, that by January 2022, that Dogecoin's price will pass 0.081 in January 2022. Eventually penetrate the current all-time in February 2022 to sell at a high of 0.0826640. The bullish movement is expected to continue throughout the year. The cryptocurrency is likely to reach a minimum price of 0.0640377 and 0.0941731 on the upper side. Ultimately, Dogecoin is expected to dazzle the world and rise to the top 3 ranking most valuable crypto by 2024 due to the expectation that the price would grow massively during this period, i.e. 2021 through 2024. Holders of Dogecoin are advised not to rush to selling their coin at lower value because Dogecoin is predicted to change its story and hit the market soon after receiving massive support from Elon Musk and other celebrities. Here is the climax of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and like the video. Also, what's your take on Dogecoin? Add a comment on the comment section to answer this question.